America runs on hard-working auto pros, and for 100 years, NAPA has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. I'm Kevin Linger, and this is Auto Pros on the Road. We're traveling coast to coast, visiting 50 NAPA Auto Care Centers and 50 NAPA Auto Parts stores, meeting the teams who make it all happen. Today, we're headed all the way out to Waianae, Hawaii, to talk to Dansen Carvalho, owner of Dansen's Auto Repair and Towing. Dansen was born and raised in Waianae and has seen his community grow, change, and adapt to the times. As a way to support his growing family, he decided to open up his shop in the heart of the community that he grew up in. Since then, the shop has grown exponentially, and Dansen has appreciated the support that his community has shown him.
Well, I always liked working on cars when I was in high school. Before I started here, I was working at a car repair, machine work, and a parts store. It was all combined in one, so there was 3 little sections. And I started off as a delivery person, then I moved over to the repair guy, then a machine guy, repair guy, delivery guy, store guy, and found out I was gonna have a son and needed to wake up and make some real money. So I decided to take a chance opening up my own shop. 1996, and ever since then it's been nothing but growth, and we've been doing really well. Through the years I met a lot of good people, good customers, made some friends, and I just enjoy helping the people and the interactions I get to create with them and see their families grow, and then their kids, and then their grandkids. So it's just a good feeling to know that we're here for them.
Even in Hawaii, the changes and technological evolutions of the automotive repair world keep owners and technicians like Dansen on their toes. Luckily, he holds a welcome and adaptable attitude towards how modern cars need fixing.
The thing I see with community today, they want instant gratification, and sometimes that's not how it works. You gotta put in the work, you gotta bust the knuckles, you gotta sweat. When I first started working on cars, it was like points, condensers, serial simple, change the cap and rotor, that's it, you're done. And then it moved into half electronic, and then EFIs and multi-ports, and now you got a computer controlling everything, your radio, your window switches. It's pretty nuts. Your car is more smart than your computer or your phone. And the community today, they need to be a little more educated on that. And some of them, when they do their own work, they're creating their own problems, and then they come into us, and it's a pretty quick relearn or program for them, but people need to understand that cars aren't just change the part and you're done, you go down the road again.
Despite a willingness to work hard, the logistical challenges of being separated from the mainland have always made parts an issue. Luckily, this is where NAPA has been able to help shops like Dansen's.
Parts is very tricky, especially because our location on the island. Where we are, nobody wants to drive out. There's very few runs and deliveries because traffic's a long time. Parts is very hard. We need to plan our day. We need to know when our deadlines are to order our parts, when we're gonna get them. We need to be heavily rely on our NAPA store and their whole internet, that everything is going smooth all the way through from where it's coming to them, to us. My relationship with NAPA is really well. I've been with them since I was in high school. Well, not with them, I've been buying parts from them since I was in high school. They help us with everything, whether it's a part, whether it's a lift, whether we need a part outside, whether we need a claim. They give us all the support, so they give us classes, they give us training, and all you gotta do is ask if there is anything coming up. And they'll help you, they'll guide you every step of the way from start to finish.
With the help of his son, Dansen is optimistic, not only about the future of his shop, but about the way the new generation of technicians are going to shape the industry with new technologies moving forward.
If he just picks up and grows what I've already built for him, it's gonna be super easy for him. He's already doing pretty much all of the diagnosing and all the repair here. Don't we give him any fuel injected car, he'll figure it out no matter what. He's progressed, he's doing some EV classes, so he's doing them with NAPA. He's just really smart, and he looks into the problem. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not gonna last. But if you know what you're doing, you got the right equipment, you're gonna do really good. And for his generation, that's exactly what they're good at. But he enjoys what he's doing, he enjoys communicating with the customers. He's very personable, and if he talks right, he can explain what's going on with your car very well. How satisfied, how happy they are, and how they trust us with their car, no matter how big the job or how small the job is. That's what keeps me in here. I enjoy what I do, I enjoy the contact with the community.